This is a milestone for Rwandair. Today we are receiving officially our first Airbus A330-200 series. This Airbus will be operating to India very soon. We'll start India flights in November. So we'll be operating to India. Right now it's covering Lagos, Accra and Dubai.
This is a very good opportunity for us, the Kenyans, friends and Rwandese who are in Nairobi. We've been following the news, the arrival of this equipment, Airbus 330-200 series, commissioned by our leaders back home. So we've been waiting for the opportunity for us to see the equipment and probably some of us be able to fly. I know I'm reliably informed that very soon we'll be getting the bigger one, which will be the 300 series, and more Boeing 737, Boeing 800 series are on their way coming to operate in the region. So the other airlines on the continent and Rwandair will complement each other to make sure that as the entire world looks at Africa as the new frontier to do business, I think it makes sense for all of us as Africans to make sure that we have a reliable air transportation system.